So we have birds flocking outside the bedroom window, and the dog is just beside himself. There goes the tail. You missed the best part of it, which is when they were sitting right on those electric wires just outside the window and on the roof there. But yeah. And Koda noticed, and that was just hilarious. They're gone now. And let's see, is my boy gonna know? He's just gonna sit right there and keep looking out the window. Oh, that was too funny for words. Oh, he's alerting. So he may be seeing birds out there. Yep, there he goes. And there comes some more birds. If you ever wondered, yes, English Springer Spaniels are bird dogs. And Koda has every single instinct in his breed. There you go. That's the fun for lunch today.